Qiusheng Mould has been specialized in manufacturing thin wall injection molds for over a decade, has established a solid reputation in the overseas market, and is now looking to expand our business globally. High-precision thin wall molds. Our core strength lies in the production of. We adopt an integral structure design for our molds, which brings several remarkable advantages. Firstly, the high precision of our molds ensures the excellent quality of the final products. The container produced with our molds meets the most strict requirements in food packaging industry. Secondly, our molds are compact in size. This unique feature enables your existing small-sized injection molding machines to handle more cavity molds, maximizing your production efficiency and reducing the need for extra equipment investment. We have numerous successful cases in domestic and abroad. Our molds have been widely exported to countries in the Middle East, East Asia, and Southeast Asia. Our clients have highly praised our products for their outstanding performance and reliability in the production process. We are confident that our high-quality molds can provide you with a competitive edge in your market. If you are interested in our products or have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.